welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about YR07. It is a very intense orange color, which is what a yellow and red are going to do when we mix them. On our family combination, we are going to see a little bit more of the orange kind of family, and on our bonus combination, it's going to be more towards the yellowish. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, the nib replacements, ink refills, and also Prismacolor pencils and open stock. Thank you. We're going to start with YR07. We build the fence and then we flick away from the fence. The next is going to be YR04 and YR02. It blends pretty well. I like that blend. This is B00. And on top of it is going to be the same natural family combination, YR07, YR04, and YR02. The B00 is used under YR07 to desaturate it. And this is the bonus combination. I'm starting with B00 and then YR07, Y17, and we're going to end it with Y15. This is a combination that I would use if I'm trying to imitate fire. The staining test. YR is already a combination of the yellow and the red. So it's going to be a rebel marker. It's going to be difficult to just move it. The Prismacolor pencil is PC918 orange. And you can just go as deep as you like with more layers, or as light as you like to maybe match YR02. Now this is the natural family combinations. We're going to be using the 4 combinations in these wings. We start with YR07, YR04, and YR02. It blends beautifully. And the bottom, we're going to start with B00. Every time I color, I underpaint. So that's why you will see me use underpainting in every single one of these series swatches. So this is going to give you a shadow image. The wing on top, it is on top of the bottom one, so it should have some shadow, some shade, and that is what the underpainting does for you. This is the bonus combination. This is YR07, Y17, and this is Y15. If you notice the speed, YR07 is going to be the fastest, Y17 medium speed, Y15 is going to be the slowest, because the more time your nib is touching the paper, the more ink is going to deposit. And the blend just happens. That was the last part of it. And I'm trying again with the staining test, but as you can see, it's not going to move it. It's not going to be complete. It's just not going to happen. So this is the natural family combination, YR07, YR04, and YR02. The second one is the underpainted natural family combination, which is first with B00, YR07, YR04, and YR02. The bonus combination is YR07, Y17, and Y15. If you would like more of these combinations, go to Vanilla Art's Undercover. The link is going to be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. See you next week. Bye.